Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. First off, I would like to start by saying thank you guys so much, because as of I believe earlier this week, and I totally forgot to mention in my previous video, we have over 100 subscribers. I know it's not a whole lot, but it is something to start with, so I really do appreciate for all of you guys who have subscribed and liked and commented and all that good stuff. I decided that moving forward from here, once I reach 200 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. A lot of the giveaways will probably consist of things that I've been getting throughout unboxings, or just a little something for somebody who will be lucky. But yeah, anyway, I do plan on doing a giveaway here, hopefully sooner than later. I guess we'll see how the subscriber thing works for me from here on out. But anyway, yes, thank you guys so much. Today we are back with a FabFitFun unboxing. I am actually really excited, because for those of you who do know, the fall is my favorite season. So I have been looking forward to the FabFitFun box for like a month or so. Even though I know it's not fall yet, it's actually nice that I did receive the box already, and so I thought it'd be awesome to just go ahead and unbox it. And this is what it looks like this season. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box that basically costs $50 every quarter, like I said. So it'd be like spring, summer, fall, all that good stuff. It's $50, or you can sign up for $180 as an annual member, which you'll get all 4 boxes, you know, without having to pay the $50 every month, every 4 months. Also, just a nice little perks that FabFitFun does have is, you know, every quarter they do have add-ons that you can add on to the box that you'll be receiving that season, in which you'll get a lot of percentage discounts off some of the stuff that you may be getting. For instance, like creams, makeup, self-care towels, anything. It's not just makeup, it's skincare. It's stuff for your home, stuff for the beach, stuff for whatever type of season it is, glasses, anything. So it's actually really nice, because you get a nice little you get a nice discount off for being a member. So it's actually really nice. It's a nice community, has nice perks and everything. So I really do enjoy the box. But I'm not going to talk about this anymore. Just please don't forget to subscribe, like the button. No, thumbs up, yeah, and comments if you have anything nice to say, please. Like I said, this is the box, and let's just go ahead and get right to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, and basically we start off by this. I don't know if you guys can actually see. I tried to position the camera a little bit different today, because I wanted it not to be so focused on my face, but more of an angle, to see if maybe you guys can see some of the stuff. Every box comes with a FabFitFun little magazine. Inside here it does talk about, I don't know if you can kind of see the lighting. What's this girl's name? Oh, Megan Trainor, yeah. Every catalog comes with little things about the season, everything that's in the box. It talks about the description of the items and whatever the price is for the value. It actually does include, I don't know, top 5 things for the seasons, clothing, summer. It just has so much stuff. It's actually a nice little thing to have with it. You also get a HelloFresh $80 gift card. It's a meal kit. I've actually never used it. I have gotten one of these pretty much in every box that we've had thus far, and I still have not used them, and they're accumulating, so I actually need to go ahead and look at this, because I have heard good things about HelloFresh. I just haven't tried it yet. So basically, the box is going to open up. I'm going to go ahead and get it started now. Oh my god, it's so beautiful when you open it up. Okay. So let's just rewind really quick. This season, or pretty much every season, they do give you an option to customize your box. There'll probably be about 4 to 5 options. You don't have to customize it. I know some people do prefer to kind of just be surprised with whatever it is they're getting in the box. I like to sometimes customize and sometimes be surprised. So there are a few items in the box that I didn't know I was going to get, and others I have no idea what it even is. So these are actually a pair of something that I did know I was going to get, because I thought they were really cute. But it looks like they are a pair of earrings. Okay, I don't know if you can kind of see. This is by the brand Bubble Bar. Okay, just go ahead and open it up for you guys really quick. I'm going to try to just open up so you guys can see really quick what's in this box. And this is kind of what they look like. They're really pretty. I'm trying to get it to focus. And okay. Moving along, the next item in this box is this 2-in-1 grinder. It is by the brand Epar, I'm not even sure. And this is kind of something more for the home. I don't know if you can see it. I'm actually going to take it out the box. So it is let me take it out. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can put anything in here, really. I know I had bought it. I had customized this one as well. And I know that when I thought of it, I thought it would be nice for the home for like salt and pepper. We don't really have one, so it's kind of nice. And you can put 2 different things in each side. One goes up here, one goes down here, and turn it around, and same thing. So this is something that I do like about FabFitFun, because a lot of people do think that it's just basically skincare and makeup products and everything. Although every once in a while, yes, that is true, but there's so much more to it, and I love being able to have different options for the home and stuff as well. So moving forward, we have a face toner by the brand of Skin & Co. It's called Truffle Therapy, and this is an essential face toner. This is kind of what it looks like. I will show you guys right there. Let me see. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my hand. I just want to see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like coconuts. I love coconuts. So much for it being a fall box, because it really just brings you back to summertime. It smells absolutely incredible. I have tried some other skincare products and they're really, really good. So I am actually excited to try this. It says, "We are not your traditional toner. We designed this toner to cleanse and purify the skin even better than what it looks." Moving forward, we have this daily hair repair. This is by Aveda, and it looks like it's an instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So I guess if you're going to use this, use it before you either curl your hair, flat iron your hair, blow dry your hair, anything like that. So this is a hair product. Let me go ahead and smell. Ooh, my hair is up right now, but I'm still gonna, not crazy about the smell, but I'm just gonna put it on my hair right now. But I know that this brand is very good, and let's see what it says about it. It says shake well, which I did not do, work a small amount. All right, that's not the point. It's a leave-in treatment before you use any heat to your hair. So I'll be trying that here soon, and I know I will be trying it very soon, because from what the looks of it is, I got something for my hair. I did not know I was going to get this one, so I'm pretty excited. Even though I do have one of these, I am very excited for this. And let me just open it to clarify, because I'm not sure, but if I remember correctly, this is going to be a hair flat iron. Ooh, oh my god, this color is so pretty. The bag is like an orangey color, and this, wow, that's really pretty. It is coral, and this is what it looks like. I know I have one already, but I've had it for about 5-6 years, so I know that it's probably time to try something new. I have heard great things about this brand, so I'm actually really excited to try this one. Pretty dope. I'm looking forward to that. That's probably why they put the Aveda heating thing in there. Nice thinking, FabFitFun. Moving forward, we have something by the brand Human Plus Kind, or Human and Kind. It says skincare with a conscious. I like that. Body souffle. Let's see what this is for. This basically says it is apply as needed to soothe and moisture the skin. It is a lightly whipped for ultimate in kindness, human, light and fluffy body souffle. Is quickly observed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized. So basically, it is a vegan, cruelty-free, all-natural moisturizer. Oh, damn, of course. It always has something to open, and I'm not good at opening products. Okay. Oh, that was not that hard. Oh. I like this one. This one smells delicious. Oh my gosh. All right, let's put that one in there. This smells amazing. It smells like fruity. This is my kind of smells. It reminds me of Bath and Body Works smells, but it's even better because it's actually all natural. I love this. I can't wait to try this. I know that every season I try to switch up all my skincare, not skincare, but like my creams and lotions and stuff that I wear. And I was just telling one of my friends at work that I wanted to get some new stuff. So this is perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. It smells delicious. Yeah, that's that. And I think, oh wait, I have 2 more things in here. Moving along, this is by the brand Harper and Ari, or Harper Plus Ari. It's a juice cleanse. What? It says exfoliating sugar cubes. This is pretty cool. This is kind of what they look like. The green, I don't know if you can see them, and there's a few little cubes. Let's see what it actually says. It says, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. It's recommended to use twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. So this is only for your body. Oh my gosh. This smells like pears, like salt, no, sugared pears. It smells amazing. Too bad I already took a shower today, but this will not be forgotten. Oh, you can't, that'd be amazing. And I think this is last but not least, which I didn't know I was going to get this. This was another customizable item, and this is what it looks like. This is from the brand Twine Living Co. It's a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. We, as everybody may know already, we moved into a new home about almost 3 months ago now to this point. We still not have had any people over because we're still slowly putting everything together. But Dre and I realized in the day that we really don't have too much things for like the kitchen or for guests, you know, when people come over, which we have not had any yet like that. But oh, this is so freaking cute. Look how cute this is, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oops, I don't break it before. And it's a small, it looks like a travel size, but basically it's this little wooden platter. I believe you put some crackers and cheese right here. These I'm not gonna take out. Oh, actually, I thought they were plates, but it's just a little ceramic piece that goes in between. This is where you cut everything up, and it comes with these miniature, if I can, whoa. This is what it comes with. How cute is this? This is a really, really nice set. It's mad cute. I really like this a lot. It's just something different. You know, everyone keeps saying, oh, FabFitFun, too much makeup, too much. No makeup came in here at all. I love it all. It was either stuff for the house or for my hair or for my skin and some earrings. You really cannot beat that at all. It's really, really cute. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, that's it in the box. I'm going to go ahead and add it up just to kind of get an idea of exactly how much it was. Okay guys, I'm back. I actually went through the magazine and just read over all the products and exactly the price. I know it's kind of confusing at first trying to open and find the product in the magazine, so I just kind of talked about the things that we got in the box, and I went ahead now and actually broke it down. So I'm just going to tell you guys exactly what everything retailed for. So the flat iron was $80. The cheese platter was $30. These are the MSRP value that you get if you were to pay for this in the store. And the earrings were $34. The salt and pepper shaker item was $22. And the toner was $30. The stuff for your hair was $30. The little cubes, little green cubes I showed you guys was $16. The really nice smelling cream, this one actually right here, was $18, and I believe that is all. So the whole box itself came out to $285. I actually went ahead last year, I think last year or beginning of this year, I paid the annual member thing, so it was like $179.99. So you really can't beat that because that $179.99 is the 4 boxes for the full year. And like I said, this box alone is $285. Is absolutely stumps all over that. Because there's no telling what I'll be able to get in the winter box. So yeah, I mean, there's really not much else to this video. I just wanted to share with you guys the fall box because I'm really, really excited to open up everything and try it on. So let me know if you guys have anything in particular that you guys want me to try on camera, review, first impressions, all that good stuff. And yeah, there's not much more to say other than please help me and support me by subscribing, liking, commenting, and of course, like I've told you guys before, go ahead and give any recommendations of anything else that you would like to see on the channel. I really appreciate all the love and the support. Once again, muchas gracias and thank you. Ciao.